What's up, YouTube? Hope Nickel Barbecue back with you again. Man, it's been a long time. Alright, so in my time off, I bought a Weber Jumbo Joe. Target had them on sale for 30 bucks. Couldn't walk away from it. Got that at lunch one day, and then ordered the Vortex, the small one, because it says it fits inside an 18-inch kettle. The problem is it fits in every 18-inch kettle except for the Jumbo Joe. Got it home, had already ordered the Vortex, got it brought in, and I'm like, well, we got to figure out a solution. So I did a little Frankensteining. As you can see, you take off your grate, pull your Vortex out, take out the Jumbo Joe grate, throw it down on the ground. If you already have a Smokey Joe, take the charcoal grate or go to Lowe's. I think you can get them for $7. Drop it down in here, put the Vortex in, and she fits like a glove. And it works. Been cooking chicken on it for the last couple weeks. Turns out great. Get this thing up over 600 degrees. My eye grill actually got pegged out and quit working. Luckily, it still worked after it cooled off. So, hey, I just wanted to give you guys that tip. I've teased it a little bit on some social media. Just wanted to give you guys the video. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon.